Oh my god. Where's all the sound? Where's the sound recording? My goodness. Hi everyone. Today I would like to share a bit. Have you had the problems of having a video recording in iPad or even iPhone? But then after that you found out all your video have no sound. Have you ever faced that problem? Just like this. This one I have done, and I just realized there is no sound at all, no matter what I have done on the sound. Okay, this is what we normally do when we do a recording. By pressing this home button, you go to Control, and this is where the recording button. But you can find out after you do the recording, there's no sound at all. So this is where the problem is. So let me teach you how to record with sound, right? So this is how we do. When you press this button, please press it longer, right? Just press maybe a few seconds, and you come up with this, and this is where you can do the screen recording with microphone on. Okay, this is where the button is. So now it's actually on. So if you do the recording with the normal setting, default setting, which is on microphone off, it will have no sound. So please remember to press this setting and change it to microphone on, and this is where you will be able to do the recording with sound. And this you will not, when you are doing a recording such as meetings or anything, trainings. So with these settings, you won't miss out everything, the sound assist. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you very much. If you like the channel, please like it and subscribe.